Dear parents, is your child studying in grade 9 and going to grade 10 this year? Has your child chosen computer applications Java on Blue Jay? Do you want your child to clear all the doubts of ninth Java and set a strong foundation to score 100 on 100 in 10th ICSE board exam? Hi, I'm Saravanan Ganesh, a TEDx speaker, a software engineer turned trainer, and a coding coach. I'm passionate about creating and nurturing young programmers. For the past 11 years, I have taught coding to more than 3,000 high school students who have not only scored 100 on 100 in 10th ICSE board exam, but also have fallen in love with programming and pursued computer science in the world's best universities with unimaginable scholarships. Master the Loops is a 3 hours workshop exclusively designed for students who are going from grade 9 to grade 10. I'm personally conducting this workshop on Sunday, 30th January 2022 from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. over Zoom with a small registration fee. In this workshop, students will learn to understand and write programs using loops, develop logical thinking and problem solving, learn the right way of preparing for the exam, and clear all the doubt. Let me tell you one thing, 10th Java is highly dependent on the fundamentals learned in ninth Java. Loops are one of the most important fundamental topics that I'm covering during the workshop in detail. Click the link below and register now. Let your child pick the right way of learning Java.